Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. Today we're doing issue 57 of Hashtag Partworks Build the Titanic. Okay, so today we are building the fourth and final funnel. So let me show you the parts we get and what we're doing. Stage 57. We flick through the magazine, get to the back. We are assembling our fourth funnel. So just like we've done with all the others, we're going to be attaching that onto there, screwing that in some key areas just there. And then we're going to assemble the rest of the funnel, adding pipes, ladders, platforms, and adding this in here. This funnel is a little bit different to the rest of the funnels. This funnel is not going to have the smoke filter in it, I don't believe. And then we can attach that to our base just like that. So there's not too many steps to do today. We will have the base and the funnel attached together, which is really cool. We can sort of start displaying them full funnels together soon. So yeah, without further ado, let's get the parts out of the packaging and start building. Okay, now we're going to line this up with the holes on here. I'm going to get some screws in. So I'm going to get the first screw in just at the bottom here and try not to get them in the wrong holes like I did with the third funnel. Now we're going to skip this one and go into this one here. Just like that. And the final one is just going to go just below that cut out there. There we are. Now I can get the other side in now. So like before, we need to squeeze this over and add our screws in. So I'm going to get this one in first. Just like that. Then this one. Final screw now is going to go just down here. And there we are. That is what you should have up until this stage. Next, we're going to take the top of the funnel and this detail here. So we're going to add this onto here. It does go around a certain way. You've got a larger cutout and a smaller cutout, and just slide that onto there. And then with this bit at the top, that's going to just slide into there, just like that. Let's glue our ledge on. So let's get some glue on the ledge, and that's going to go just in there. Just like that. Now we're going to take this pipe here with the pegs on the back, and we're going to glue this one into this part with the holes in the pipe. So we can apply our glue. Find the holes. Oh. And that is what you should have. And now we can put this over the top of that one. Push that in. There you are. That is that on there. Next thing is our ladder. So we can get some glue on these pegs here and get that in. And lay this down over the top. Just pushing that into the holes as we go. And there you are. Don't go too heavy-handed. I did break one of them On the third funnel, I broke this little pin here because I pushed too hard. But that is all you need to do. And obviously on the back we do have these 3 holes here. That is for this pipe here. So again, apply your glue. Insert that pipe into the back, just like that. Now we can take this part, and this is just going to sit in the top. Just there. Is it the right way around? Does it matter? Don't believe it matters. No, that's going to sit in there just like that. And then this part is the interior of the funnel. It's going to fit inside the funnel assembly. This is the funnel cap. So this is going to sit just on there. It does have a couple of tabs this side that need to go this side with that tab. We do not need to glue that, so we need to hold that in with a little bit of tape. So I'm just going to use the tape that they sent to seal the issues, just like that. And that is our 4th funnel all complete. So we can bring back our funnel base, and we're going to attach this to here. So it should only go on one way. That's going to go onto there, and then we're securing that from the back with 2 AP screws in these holes here. Now they do supply AP screws for this stage. Let's get these in. After we've done this, this is the final screw for the funnels. So no more funnels after this. But there we are. With that, that is this stage all complete. So that's it, guys. That is stage 57 all complete. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to leave a like down below. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.